Let's create an 18th century European art inspiration. Hi, it's Vilma, and today I'm sharing this antique style mirror flip. Starting by removing the back cover of the mirror. Then I'm applying mineral spirit and spreading it over the entire mirror. Then using a scraper tool to remove parts of the gray paint. My goal is to remove just parts of the gray paint. Once I finish, I'm using mineral spirits and cleaning all the back of the mirror. Now let's prepare for our background. I'm using one of my favorite stamps named Imperial Krakow and a roller brush and a metallic gold paint. This process is very easy. You will need to add paint on the acrylic plate that comes with your roller brush kit as other roller replacements. Fill your brush, gently roller onto your stamp, then with gently movements, press down the stamp where you'll need to be placed. I am applying it where I don't have any gray paint. This way will be visible through the mirror. You can add as much as you want it. Also, you can choose another color paint rather than gold. Now let's turn our mirror and start working on the front. You will need your mirror to be very clean. I am using a window cleaner. I'm making sure it's very dry before adding my design. For the design, I choose this beautiful transfer named Chambre de la Reine, and it comes in 2 sheets that can be connected with each other. I'm cutting the excess on the edges, but you can also cut it after their application. These transfers are incredibly easy to use. Simply peel off the backing paper, place the transfer onto your desired surface, and rub it with the included tool to transfer the design. This transfer can also be cut and rearranged to fit your specific needs, making it a versatile and customizable choice for all your decor projects. For the frame, I'm applying gilding glue with a small craft brush. I will be wait until it feels sticky and looking clear before the next step. I'm using this imitation gold leaf that comes in a package of 25 sheets, each size 5 by 5 inches. I found this easy way to apply it using each little gloves and pressing down. You'll need to apply all over your project. Wait a few minutes before remove the excess with a synthetic brush. Believe me, your projects will dazzle and the gold leaf touch and catch the light, creating a glamorous effect. Let me mention it that you can apply a clear shine sealer all over the transfer to protect it. This way it will be easier to clean. And all you need to do now is to place back the cardboard and this is the final results. Let me know in comments what do you think about this and if you feel inspired to do something similar in the future. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel today. See you in another flip.